Dear students, our today topic is large number, which is chapter number 2. So, what is large number? In a previous chapter, you already learned about the large number. Okay, three-digit number, four-digit number, five-digit number. Okay, so large number. So, what is large number? So, largest three-digit number is equal to 999. Okay, what comes after 999 means what comes after means if we add 1, so this become 1000 which is 4 digit smallest number. Okay, so uh, this see, this one is 4 digit largest number. If we add 1 in 4 digit largest number, this become 5 digit smallest number. Look, this number is previous of 10,000 number. Okay, and similarly this is 5 digit number largest number. If we add 1 in 5 digit largest number, we will get 6 digit smallest number, which is 1 lakh. Okay, and if we this is 6 digit largest number. If we add 1 in 6 digit largest number, we will get 7 digit smallest number. Okay, which is 1 lakh, sorry, 10 lakh. And also we read it at 1 million. This is million is the international number system. This is the Indian number system using in Hindu Arabic number system. This is international number system. So in Indian number system, we count number in lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. But international number system, there we count number till the thousand. Okay, then 10,000, then 10,000, then 100,000, then million, then 10 million, 100 million, like this. Okay, and see, this is 7 digit largest number, which is 7 digit largest number. If we how, because 7 times 9s. Okay, no, so 99 lakh 99,999, which is 7 digit largest number. Okay, if we add 1 in 99 lakh 99,999 plus 1, this become 8 digit smallest number, which is 1 crore, or which is we also read it as a 10 million. Okay, now you got it, what is the largest number. Okay, and how we write the largest number, how we write a smallest number. Where if anybody asks to you, write 5 digit largest number, so you know already. So what is 5 digit largest number? So 5 digit largest number is 99,999. Okay, and if anybody asks to you what is smallest 5 digit number, so you can tell them. So what is 5 digit smallest number means 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. Okay, the next is how to write number in expanded. How to write number in expanded? See, look, say this. So see this number. Okay, I'm giving you some example. See how to write a number in expanded form. In expanded form, generally if we going to count a number, we always count a number from extreme right number. See, this is 8 is extreme right number. Okay, and but when we go we are going to write a number in expanded form, so in this condition, in this way, we have to count the number from extreme left number. This is extreme 6 is extreme left number, and 8 is extreme right number. How we represent number? So how we represent number in which place? So see, first we ones, tens, we always write count a number from extreme right number, so we are going to write to left. Okay, so extreme right to ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, then lakh, then crore, etc. Okay, so always we count a number from extreme right. So and start from the extreme right and go through the left side number. Okay, So this is the counting way of the counting the number. And look this one. So I'm giving one example. So this 6548, we have to write this number in expanded form. So how we write? So first we write the number from extreme left number. So 6 is extreme left number, okay, because left side of 6 is nothing, means 0 0, no uh, 0 before the number, so no value of the 0, okay. So 6 is the extreme left number, so we have to write this number in expanded form. So 6 is in which place? So look, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 6 is in a thousand place, so write here 6 multiply by 1000 plus 5. After the 6 is 5 in which place? So 5 is in a 100 place, so plus 5 multiply by 100 plus 4 is in which place? 4 is in a tens place, so 4 multiply by 10, then which number? So 8 is in which place? 8 in a ones place, so plus 8 multiply by 1, so is equal to 6 multiply by 1000 is equal to 6000, 5 multiply by 100 is equal to 500, plus 4 multiply by 10 is equal to 40, plus 8 multiply by 1 is equal to 8. So this is the expanded form of the 6548. Let's take another example. 71 lakh 84,647. How we count the number? So I'm going to count. So count, we always count a number from extreme right to left. So extreme right 7, in ones 4 tens, 100 place 6, 1000 place 4, 10,000 place 8, and lakh place 1, 10 lakh place 7. But we have to write this number in expanded form, so we are going to write the number in expanded form. So we count number from we write a number from extreme left number. So 7 is extreme left number, so 7 in which place? So 10 lakh place, so 7 multiply by 10 lakh plus then 1 is in which place? Lakh place, so 1 multiply by 1 lakh plus 10 plus 8 is which place? 10,000 place, so 8 multiply by 10,000 plus 4 is in which place? 4 is in a 1000 place, so 4 multiply 1000 plus 6 multiply by 100, and 4th place is 10th place, so 4 multiply by 10 plus 7th place is 1, so 7 multiply by 1 is equal to 70 lakh 1 lakh 80,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 7. So this is the expanded form of the 71 lakh 84,647. Okay. Next is place value chart. What is place value chart? So representing the number in a chart with proper period is called place value chart. Okay, so what is place value chart? Representing the number in chart with proper period. Okay, this is called place value chart. Next point is a place value chart shows number of periods like ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Already we discussed in a expanded form. Okay, so there are already I mentioned so how to write number, how to divide number in a period. Okay, next point is each period divided into two part. Okay, means each period divided into two part means 1000, 10,000, lakh, crore will divided into two part. Next point is but once period only divided into three part. Only once period will divided into three part. Okay, how? We will check. See, I'm going to make a place value chart. See how we will make a place value chart. So this is place value chart. Okay, and we have to divide it with the proper period, and each period divided into two parts, but only once period divided into three parts. Okay, so how? Once period, thousand periods, lakhs periods, crore periods. Okay, so already I told you, no, once period divided into three parts. So once, tens, which is hundreds. Okay, so once period has three parts. So once, tens, hundred, 10,000, which has it has two parts. Okay, 1,000, second 10,000. Similarly, lakhs has a two part. Lakhs period has also two part. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Similarly, crores period has also two part. Crores, 10 crores. Okay, so and how we write the number in a place value chart. Let's take an example. Let's take an example, this example. No, 7,84,295. How we will write this number in place value chart? So first we count number. So ones, this is tens, this is hundred, this is thousand, this is 10,000, this is lakh. Okay, so once, so once will write, we have to write once in a ones place. Then tens we have to write number in a tens place. Hundreds we have to write a hundreds number in a hundred place. And thousand, which number is in a thousand place? 4 is in a thousand place, so 4 number we have to write in a thousand place. 10,000 place, 8 is a 10,000 place number, so in a 10,000 place we have to write 8. And lakhs, in the lakhs we have to write 7, because 7 is a 7 period place is a lakhs place. Okay, so let's take another example. You see there. So another example is 99,33,467. So similarly we have to make a place value chart, and we have to divide it in the proper period. Once, which have a three period. Once, tens, hundred, thousand have a two periods. Thousand, 10,000, lakhs have a two period. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Similarly, crore has a two period. So crore, 10 crore. Okay, so check the number. So count the number: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. And now we can write the number. So once, 7 is a ones place number, 6 is a tens place number, 4 is a hundred place number, 3 is a thousand place number, 3 also 3, look, 3 10,000 place number, so right there in the place of 10,000, 3. 9 is a lakhs period number, and 10 lakhs place number also 9, so right here 9. Okay, hope it's all clear for you. Okay, thank you.